Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on more properties of zero. In the last video we looked at some properties of zero. This video will continue to look at some more important properties. Consider the following empty bowl. It has nothing in it. If you add nothing to the bowl, it will still have nothing in it. It will still be empty. Hence, 0 add 0 equals 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0, and that's how we do it in mathematical terms. The next rule is a very important one, and you will see it used many times in future years. If you multiply any number by 0, the answer is 0. So any number multiplied by 0 equals 0, or 0 multiplied by any number equals 0. It does not matter how big or small the number is that you choose. When you multiply it by 0, the answer is 0. Now let's look at some examples. 0 times 5 equals 0. 8 times 0 equals 0. 1,000 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 7,000 equals 0. 0 times 3 plus 0 times 4 equals 0. That's because 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And this is exactly the same. 34 times 0 gives you 0. 76 times 0 gives you 0. And 0 plus 0 equals 0. The next rule follows on closely from the previous rule about multiplication. If 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. So 0 divided by any number gives us 0, and there's the symbol for 0, divided by any number equals 0. Look at the two examples. 0 divided by 9 equals 0. 0 divided by 37 equals 0. And it doesn't matter what the number is, you will also get 0. Now, this is very special, this last slide, and I want you to really concentrate on it so you'll never make a mistake in the future. This is a highly important rule, so beware. That means be careful. Caution. Warning. Caution. Proceed with caution. It's very dramatic, isn't it? But this rule is so important and so many people make a mistake. I want to teach you this rule right now so that you'll never make a mistake in the future. In our number system, that is the normal number system that we use, we are not allowed to divide a number by 0. So read that. What we have in the blue box again, read it to yourself. It is very important. Just read that part to yourself. I'll give you 5 seconds. That means any number divided by 0 does not exist. That is, there's no answer for it. I will repeat. Any number divided by 0 does not exist. That means there is no answer for it in our number system, so we're not allowed to do it. So please remember, do not forget this rule. So look at that. Don't forget. See the little string there on the finger? Don't forget. And the elephant. Elephants never forget anything. Don't forget. I'll leave this slide on for 5 seconds, and I'm going to trust you never to forget this rule in the future.